Cooking with the Vegan Zombie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I'm in a new kitchen, way better than mine. And I'm with my friend Mario from Trying Vegan with Mario. We just filmed a video. Mario has his own Roku channel. What's the name of that?
Trying Vegan with Mario.
And what we just did was we filmed this on his channel. I'm gonna let you see his video on my channel. He does have Roku, and we just basically made one of my older recipes, which were peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. So without further ado, check out his video.
Welcome back to Trying Vegan with Mario. On this episode, my special guest is the Vegan Zombie. This guy is such an innovator in the way that he draws attention to plant-based food with his YouTube channel, his cooking show, his cookbook, and the story of the Vegan Zombie. So I just want you guys to picture this for a second. We're in upstate New York, cornfields, small quaint town, and a virus has infected all of the animal-based products. So if you eat animal products, you're gonna turn into a zombie. So the only way to survive is if you become vegan. Totally is something that I thought was a really interesting and realistic way to create a perspective, to create a character. He's turning this story into a television show, a film, and so many other different creative pieces of content. So I'm so excited to welcome the Vegan Zombie to my kitchen. Welcome in here, my man.
Oh man.
Oh.
I almost didn't make it. They're everywhere.
Yes.
What are we making?
It's safe. We're in the apocalypse right now, guys. So can you show me a recipe that's gonna help me eat more plant-based food and let me survive in this zombie apocalypse
Well,
we're going
first of all,
through?
you don't look like a zombie to me, so that means you're eating pretty plant-based. So
okay, good.
I think what we're gonna do with these ingredients here is I'm smelling some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.
Let's get started. What do we got? We're in a hurry. The zombies are coming.
All right, let's get going. We have a bowl of flour, so I think we're just gonna put that right in the big bowl.
Awesome.
The little bowl and the big bowl.
Yes.
We're also gonna need sugar. All the dry ingredients go right in there.
That's good. The dry ingredients are the ones that are gonna last the longest. So I'm
Exactly.
lucky I have my cabinets filled with that stuff.
Okay, so you're gonna survive for quite a time. We also have some baking powder, some sea salt from the sea. You could just kind of like stir that together so it's all incorporated nicely. You never know when zombies are gonna bust through that door. So this is a quick recipe. We're gonna get it done in time to actually enjoy it, I hope.
Yes.
Okay, this is some organic peanut butter. We're gonna use some vegan butter.
As I've been eating and transitioning into plant-based food, it's like, what are the vegan alternatives that are actually gonna work and taste good? So I'm excited to try this vegan butter.
Okay, we also have some vanilla extract.
Yes.
So
We're strong.
I'm just gonna use a fork to kind of like
mix it up, mix it
down
up.
a little bit. You can use whatever vegan milk that you can find. I really like oat milk.
Okay, I like oat milk. That's a new one. I feel like that's one of the really creamy ones too.
Yeah,
good for coffee.
milk.
Something that I just got into is I just started reviewing all these different types of vegan alternatives and substitutes on this like Yelp-like app called A Billion Veg. So if you guys want to check out what brands of vegan substitutes I use on my show, you could check out A Billion Veg, and I'll put whatever plant-based milk we're on there, because I can't show the brands on the show.
How is it?
Something that I think is super cool about it is every time you review something on the app, they donate $1 to an animal sanctuary of your choice, which
pretty awesome.
is awesome to me, because when I got into this plant-based eating, I was coming from working at my dad's sausage factory where I didn't have that perspective of caring for the animals. But now that I'm into plant-based food, it makes so much more sense. And now it's like I've taken the shift where I'm actually contributing to the well-being of animals instead of the destruction of them.
That's what happens a lot. Once people find veganism, no matter what route they go, it might be health, it might be other reasons, sickness, whatever, they find veganism and then they hear all these other reasons for it, and then they get involved with the animals and the real reasons why.
Oh yeah. Why did you get into plant-based food?
It's a long story. Okay, so when I was about 14, I was really into martial arts, and the ancient warriors and they were Buddhists, and they were predominantly vegetarian. So and I'm like, well, if they did it, I wanted to do it. I was so excited about it. I tried it out, and from that day on, I never ate meat again. And this is way before the age of the internet. I was only 14.
Wow.
I stuck with it. I started learning to cook on my own at that point. And I was pretty lethargic as a child, tired a lot. And then after that, I noticed more energy right away. Once it gets to be about like this, you're gonna throw your chunky vegan, dairy-free chocolate chips in there. And I'm gonna get my hands right in here. If you want to stir it, go ahead. But
oh no, we're in a zombie apocalypse. We need stuff that's gonna move fast. We're just gonna use our hands. We don't got time to clean all these utensils.
Exactly.
Let's make these cookies and get out of here. We're eating all plant-based products. We don't have to worry about under or overcooking anything.
No, you're not gonna get salmonella poisoning from this.
Exactly.
You can even eat that cookie. Try a piece.
We're trying a piece of this cookie
Try a piece
down.
of that.
Oh my gosh.
Now we gotta have parchment paper. We have to have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. You're also gonna need a bowl with sugar, just enough to, to coat the bottom of the bowl. Because what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take little chunks of this. I'd say about like that. You can make them as big or as small as you want, and we're gonna roll that into a ball.
Okay.
And you're just gonna kind of coat it in the sugar.
So we're in the apocalypse right now, but let's backtrack. Let's take ourselves out of the apocalypse, and can you tell me about what you're working on and tell me about what the Vegan Zombie is?
Okay, so the Vegan Zombie was just a creative idea to inspire and educate people on going vegan and how to do that. What better way to do that than use a zombie apocalypse? So what I did with it was I made it as realistic as possible. I wanted people to say, oh, this is already happening, or this could happen. Maybe not the zombies and stuff, but like everything else that is around, and the mad cow disease.
Yep.
And that's part of the reason why we're setting it in the time frame that we're setting it. So, which is the mid-90s.
Oh, I think that's excellent.
Did this happen already?
Should we throw these in the oven?
Oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure they don't burn, but make sure they're cooked in the middle. It only takes about 10 to 12 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, when we come back, we're gonna enjoy these incredible cookies. Stay tuned on Trying Vegan with Mario. The zombies are coming, guys! Woo! Just narrowly escaped some zombies. Oh.
Look at those. Okay, so here's the fun part. So you take a nice fork, and you want to do it right away too, because if they kind of cool off, they're gonna solidify and they're gonna harden. And these, if you try to pick them up right now, they're gonna fall apart. You gotta let them sit for a little bit.
Okay.
And then you'll have a nice,
bind.
firm cookie. Yeah, when I have a long day trying to escape zombies and barely making it out alive, I like to come home and make cookies.
Yes. We got our 3 cookies right here.
Delicious, just as I suspected.
And I love this too, because you think of cookies, you think non-vegan, but all you do is make a few little minor substitutes. You change the butter you're using, you change the milk that you're using, and you can make practically the same cookie. So there's no reason not to eat more plant-based food, not to eat vegan for the sake of animal welfare, and just for the sake of making a positive transition.
And I hope you guys liked the video. We made the cookies. They were great. We even have an eater over here taste test them for us.
Somebody say compassionate
Cesar.
cookies?
Compassionate cookies, man.
Oh, yeah.
And
So good.
so I hope you guys definitely go over and check out Mario's channel. Check him out. Where can they find you on Instagram?
Mario Fabry _Trying Vegan.
Okay, I'll put it below. And yeah, next time I'm out here, I'd like to do another video. And when you're in my neck of the woods, come on over and we'll do a video there.
Let's do it. Thanks so much for everything you're doing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time. So I need to go.
He's got a jet. I'm well equipped for the zombie apocalypse. Stay tuned for more delicious plant-based recipes on Trying Vegan with Mario.